didn't see this before, so we got only Hot Wheels planes, different size. So got the helicopter. At the scale, it's not 1/64. It's the biggest one, so you can see. I don't see this before. Interesting. But £4 per one piece. It's a little expensive, but something new.
Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies higher and higher.